Hello, my name is Alexis. I'm here with Nelson Exteriors. We're here in Acworth and we're currently building a new deck today. Counted all the materials. We're getting everything straight for the framing. I went over some measurements with the crew to make sure the measurements are up to code. As of right now, everything's going smoothly, and I found just a couple of stuff on the band that we need to replace with some OSB. But other than that, everything should be going smoothly.